Another senior member of Reform UK, Richard Tice, is under investigation by Parliament's standards body.
Yeah.
This is another senior member. What is happening with Reform top brass? It's looking a bit rusty, Mr. Anderson.
Rusty. Well, I think we should all be investigated for not being investigated for the past 5 minutes. It seems that every single day there's an investigation of a Reform UK Member of Parliament, but nothing's come of it yet. So it's a bit of a witch hunt, you know that.
But why is it always Reform, lastly, Mr. Anderson? It always seems to be your colleagues.
Because they're frightened of us. That's what the problem is. They're frightened of the popularity of Reform UK. If they was frightened during May when we swept the board during the local council elections, they're frightened of the membership of Reform, and they're frightened at the next general election. They know that we're a real threat, and they will do anything, any dirty trick they can come up with to try and stop us.